Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 224. This was the 11th of April 2023, a Tuesday. So I did exercise, I took my daughter to school, I did Remote Wellness Academy, I did insurance, I did books, I had a chiropractic appointment in the morning at Three Kings Chiropractic in Celebration, Florida, and then I had a coaching client for Zen Arbitrage in the evening. And I am grateful for all the people that work at Three Kings Chiropractic. I think I maybe have given them gratitude in the past, but it's warranted again. Very good service there. Outstanding chiropractor, Dr. Roland Kyer, is very, very, very good. So if you're in the Central Florida area and you need chiropractic services, that is the place, because that is the very best chiropractor of all, and I've been to a lot of them. So anyway, let me know your comments and thoughts. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.